In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the air intake boot on your Honda Accord. This will be located in the front driver's side of the engine compartment. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the clamp for the intake boot. Pull the intake boot off the throttle body. Ours is in a few pieces. We're going to remove this hose out of the throttle body. You should be able to pull this hose assembly out. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver to help the back of the intake boot off of the air box. This should come out as one piece. Ours is just in two pieces. Remove the clamp and the pinch clamp. Also the spring clamp off of the old intake boot. Install the spring clamp onto the new boot. Transfer the pinch clamp and the band clamp. Install the intake boot. I'm going to get it on the air box. Get the hose installed and pop it over the throttle body. Install the harness into the rubber clip. Snug it down. Be sure it's fully seated. Get it nice and tight. Give it a pull, make sure it doesn't move, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.